People always ask, is it easy to work with oil paints? Absolutely. Keeping a few things in mind, working with oils can be fun and rewarding. Here are 3 rules to follow when you start with oils. The first rule, always paint from dark to light. Paint the darkest parts of your painting first. Then add your midtones and finish with lights. This way, the darks are at the very back of your painting, giving a sense of depth, and the whites appear in front, protruding out and reflecting the maximum light that falls on the painting. Besides, putting the lightest touches last gives you greater control over the brightness of some elements, which is very crucial as you get closer to completion. Of course, this is a general rule that applies to most styles. You can break it to achieve a different desired effect. Moving on to the second rule. Ensure every layer is touch dry before you start with the next layer. Of all paint types, oils take the longest to dry, especially if you have applied a thick layer. Unless you want to blend the new layer of paint with previous layers, always let the painting dry first. You can check this by gently tapping the surface of your painting. Obviously, this rule doesn't apply to the wet on wet technique, where artists continue painting on a wet painting to create unique effects by smudging and blending layers. Now for the last rule, and the only one you should never ever break. Never use water while oil painting. Oil and water simply don't mix. Want to dilute your paints? Add linseed oil. Want to wash your oil painting tools? Use turpentine, not water. So there you have it. Follow these rules and expand your artistic horizon by mastering oil painting.